Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to properly use the Connectable component in WEAVR Creator. To use Connectable, you need two game objects in your scene that you want to connect to each other. One will act as the moving object and the other will act as the receiving object. Start by selecting one of the two game objects. In the inspector, click Add Component and add the Connectable component. Once added, you will see the Should Connect To field. Drag and drop the second game object into that field. This tells WEAVR which two objects should be connected. Inside the wizard, you will now define how the objects should look when they are connected. You can use the Move and Rotate gizmos to position and align them exactly how you want them to snap together. There are selection buttons that allow you to choose which objects you are currently adjusting. You can also use alignment tools if needed. Make sure you take your time here, because this alignment defines the final snap position once the connection happens. Next, you will define the connection radius. This determines how close the connector needs to be to the socket before snapping occurs. You can visually adjust the radius sphere and reposition it to match your intended connection point. Next is type. This defines whether the object acts as a connector or a socket. The connector is the object that moves towards the connection point. The socket remains stationary and receives the connector. It is important that you only grab and move the connector during testing. You can also configure optional behaviors like sliding or rotating after connection. For sliding, you choose the sliding axis, distance limits, and return force. For rotation, you define the rotation axis, angle limits, and return force. At the end, choose how the objects should start. Connected starts them snap together, far points forces them disconnected, and none keeps them exactly where you left it. Then, press Complete Setup. The Connectable component will automatically be added to both of the game objects you selected, so you do not need to manually add it to the second object. WEAVR handles that for you. After the wizard is complete, you will now see the connection points section inside the Connectable component. Under connection points, you will see the interaction point. This represents the exact transform used for snapping in alignment. Next is type. This defines whether the object acts as a connector or a socket. The connector is the object that moves towards the connection point. The socket remains stationary and receives the connector. It is important that you only grab and move the connector during testing. Then you have Object Class. This defines the classification of the object. Below that is the Valid Classes. This determines which other object classes this object is allowed to connect with. Only objects with matching valid classes will snap together. This prevents incorrect connections and ensures controlled behavior. You will also see Add Point, which allows you to create additional connection points to the same object if needed. Fixed Point allows you to make a connection fixed rather than dynamic. Now enter Play Mode to test. Grab the connector object and move it towards the socket. When it enters the defined radius and matches a valid class, it will snap into place accordingly to the alignment you configured in the wizard.